The following video will show you how to introduce standards to sorbent tubes using the Calibration Solution Loading Rig. You will need sorbent tubes, a flow meter, your Calibration Solution Loading Rig connected to the regulator, which is connected to your nitrogen line. Turn that on and make sure you have pressure there. You want the sample to be injected in the sampling direction, in the direction of the arrow. Attach your flow meter to the non-sampling end of your tube and connect like you see here, finger tight. You can then use a spanner to ensure it is tightened. Typically, use a flow of 50 to 100 millilitres per minute for around 3 minutes, depending on the sorbent. Turn the regulators on to introduce the flow. Because we are using nitrogen gas, we set the flow meter to nitrogen. Here you have the ability to adjust the flow, which you can also do here on your regulator. You need around 100 millilitres per minute. Once flow is correct, we can remove the flow meter. Ensure that your syringe is clean. You can clean it with a solvent such as methanol. Typically, you inject 0.5 to 1 microlitres of your standard. Take that up into the syringe, ensuring that there are no air bubbles. Then it is ready to inject. The syringe goes through the septum inside until it reaches resistance. That is where you are hitting the gauze inside the sorbent tube. Pull the syringe back slightly by 1 to 2 millimeters and inject with a fast injection. Then set your timer for the time specified for introduction of standards to purge the solvent through the tube and through the sorbents, allowing the compounds of interest to be retained by the sorbent bed inside. Once that's done, you can switch off your gas. You can then detach your sorbent tube from the CSLR. As this tray is for an automated system, we will put diff lock caps on either end and place in the tray. If you're using a manual system, then place the tube directly into the tube oven for analysis or seal with brass cap for later analysis. For more information, visit marks.com.